Fabric Mouse TV. What we're looking at here is the Apparel kit for the PR commercial embroidery machines. We have all of the three machines, the single needle, the 6 needle and the 10 needle, all on display in the shop. So why not come down and have a look? We deliver nationwide and set them up for you personally. But to get you going, Apparel kit, if every customer buys one of these to get going, let's take a look at it, see what we get. So as usual, first off, loads of really good packaging. Apparel kit for PR. Right, we've got the tubular frame table. We've got the sleeve frame, 200mm by 70mm. We'll open this up, it's very heavy. So this is all your different hoops in here for different tasks, and your new frame. To fit all the different sizes as well. So your new frame, which is the C frame. And you've got lots of round hoops. It's perfect for logos, much easier getting in sort of your chest size logos on jackets and things. Easier to get it in the hoop than rather having to get a square area. Makes you get your design a lot better, a lot more precise.